Good morning, this is Bernard Wessendorf, President of Boerger LC. We are representing rotary load pumps, maturing technology at the WEFTEC 2012 in New Orleans. Our focus is on rotary load pumps. For the first time here at the WEFTEC 2012 in New Orleans, we are showing a platform approach. The platform approach is a differentiation between different kind of sealing options we offer at with our rotary load pumps. Our standard setup, the classic, has been around for over 20 years, and the mechanical seal is a quench single active mechanical seal, perfect for any sludge, slurry and scum application where we have had tremendous success. Seal has never been modified since its introduction. It has been just a perfect setup for the wastewater treatment and sludge market. Here we have the select pump. It has all the same features as the classic pump, meaning on the wet end, on the rotors, we have our big selection of rotors. On the liners in the pump casing, same setup as a classic. The differentiation is the mechanical seal setup. We can now individually control every mechanical seal by itself. Therefore, we have higher control, better life cycle cost, a more cost-effective solution for hard-to-seal applications. And here we have the Protect pump. The Protect pump is our high-end pump in regards of the mechanical seal solution. We are offering here double-acting mechanical seals. It goes a lot in the chemical industry and in very tough-to-seal application, or also in hazardous areas where toxic or explosive media are pumped. Yeah. Also on this display, you see the wide array of rotor options what we offer. Boerger offers the widest range of shapes and materials for their rotary load pumps. Altogether we have 19 pump series. Every pump series has a dedicated rotor, no stacked rotors, it's a unique approach, very highly technical, very adjustable, not only in our engineering department but also in the field. If there are any modifications necessary in the field, through the modular setup what we offer with our rotary load pumps, we are often very flexible and a problem solver on site. Here we have an EL pump as one of our largest sizes. Here you can see actually how a rotary load pump works. Very similar to a roots blower, but of course we are pumping abrasive and viscous media with the unit. The pump is symmetrical, that means it has no preferred rotation direction. We can have a suction side here or on the other side. Also very good for loading, unloading applications where you maybe have to work in both directions. Another application, the membrane bioreactor, where we have submerged membranes that have to be primed through and backpulsed, so have operation in both directions. Very well suited for our rotary load pump. Here we have the Boerger multi-crusher. The multi-crusher is based on the same bearing platform as our rotary load pump, so it has a lot of identical parts, very cost-effective solutions for plants. The multi-crusher is a twin shaft grinder with a strong pulling function, a very rugged machine, perfect for racks, for protection of downstream equipment. If you have problems with pumps, mixers, with swim layers and anaerobic digesters, things like that, the multi-crusher offers a very reliable solution. Here we have a specially engineered solution, the Boerger submersible pump. Submersible pumps are used throughout our industry in a lot of areas, mostly on the centrifugal pump principle. Boerger is, I think, one of the few or maybe the only manufacturer who actually submerges a PD pump, a rotary load pump, into difficult applications. For example, if you have high amounts of entrained air, if you have issues on the space side where you have to submerge the pump, Boerger really offers a lot of customized solution in that direction. We also do it with a quick connect flange, so you can service the pump very easily and pull it out of the fluid. Here we have the Boerger multi-chopper. The multi-chopper is a single shaft grinder and is perfect for conditioning of sludge, very nice in dewatering application, feeding centrifuges, belt presses, screw presses, etc. The function is fluid enters the unit. We have a debris chamber here. If you have any kind of rocks or metal parts which you want to separate out of the system, the fluid penetrates through the cutter plate and the solids are being cut by the rotating knife head. The cutter plate can be used from both sides, so one side is worn out, you can pull it to the other side. Also we have the knives in the knife head are reusable from 4 sides. Here you see the knife head. The knife head really doesn't wear out. The wear pieces are the knives itself. They have 4 sides. They can be used in after they are worn from one side, from the other side as well. So we have reversible function, making the unit as cost effective as possible. Here the Boerger multi-shopper offers an adjusting unit. Basically this part of the shaft turns with the shaft. We have counter screws on here. So what we can do here is pull the knife head against the cutter plate for optimized mud serrating results. On top of that, we also offer an automatic adjustment. What you see over here, it's retrofittable in the field, very simple, no adjustment needed by hand. Here's a spring-loaded setup where basically the knife head is pulled against the cutter plate, and we always have the best set with a light pull to the cutter plate from the outside, so no oil, no nothing is in the inside of it, basically giving us the best mud-serrating results with an automatic mechanical adjustment. Here we have an organic waste unit. As you can see, the components are the grinder over here, twin shaft grinder, multi-crusher from Boerger, the rotary lobe pumps, and a specialty built auger system. So what we have built this for is we see more and more municipalities accepting food waste and other items what they would like to put into the digester for increased revenue, tipping fees, and for also higher gas production in the anaerobic digestion treatment. So we came up with a unit where they can basically slurry up their organic waste and actually have a product that can digest in the anaerobic digester. The receiver hopper, what we have over here, all built in stainless, pushes the material into the rotary lobe pump. The rotary lobe pump then penetrates it further into the grinder where we get really the slurry action going. So we have a digestible fluid coming out of the discharge side. We want to thank everybody for visiting us at the booth at the WEFTEC 2012 in New Orleans. For more information, please visit us on the newly relaunched website www.boerger.com. Thank you very much.